Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Craft. I am RJ, you are watching RJ Crafts. So viewers, today this pattern is so easy. Today I'm gonna show you this pattern for you can make blanket for baby blanket or any blanket you can make. This is so easy and you can make more than if you want 3 colors. I'm just using 2 colors. You can use color whatever you want. So today I'm gonna show you this pattern. I hope you will love it. So first I'm gonna use blue color like this. This is loop 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you have to add like 6 make 6 I'm gonna make 24, then I'll show you. Okay, 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. Okay, I have 24. I'm gonna add 2 more. 1 2. So I'm gonna make in second one single crochet. So yarn over 1 2. In third I'm gonna make shell. So this one 1 2 3 4 5 1 2. Skip 2. In third make single crochet like this. Yarn over 1 2. Skip 2. Third make again shell 1 2 3 4 5 1 2. In third single crochet, yarn over 1 2. Skip 2. In third again shell 1 2 3 4 5 1 2. Skip 2. In third make single crochet, yarn over 1 2. In third make shell, 1 2 3 4 5. So I have 5. I have 3 left stitches. I'm gonna make single crochet this last one here. Okay, I want to show you something. I'm just using 2 colors, so I would like to make in here. I need to cut this yarn, okay, because I would like to start from here, another color. You can use from here, you can, but then one, this row is one like the back side, front side, then one is, if you use if you start all the time from here, then one side is like smooth like this. Otherwise you can make one side like this not that much different, but it's a little bit different. So I would like to make start to, from right side and finish left side. So if you use one color in white color whatever, then you should start from here. Okay, like this. I'm gonna use white color now. So which is the single crochet, I'm gonna put this crochet in there through the single crochet. Oi. Yay. I'm not gonna make that long because I would like to show you something. So I'm gonna keep this inside. So chain 3, yarn over, same stitch, I'm gonna make 2 double crochet. So total I have 3, include this chain. So I'm gonna 1 2 top always top of the third double crochet, make single crochet. Okay, yarn over. Where is this one? The single crochet in here. I'm gonna make that shell again. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So viewers, here you just have to make like shell 5 with 5 double crochet, then always top of the third, 1 2 3, make single crochet top of this. So like this, shell again, 2 3 4 5. Okay, top of this, single crochet here. Where is the single crochet? I would like to make that 1 2 3 4 5. So top of the third, make single crochet, yarn over. This single crochet, in this single crochet I'm gonna make 3. Okay, 3 double crochet, 1 2 3. Then when you make chain 1, then yarn. Okay, you can see how it's smooth this side. This is I love this pattern very much. So I'm gonna start again blue color. Again in the which is the chain 3, top of that you like to put this yarn there, make chain 1, then make single crochet in this row. So you can keep this yarn inside, make same place, single crochet like this. You don't need to make it yarn over. I'm gonna make in the single crochet shell in here now. So one time in one row you have to make like this, just one single crochet. So and then make shell in here, full shell. So one time you need to make just chain 3 and 2 double crochet, like I have half shell. So I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, so 5. I don't need to count because always you need to make 5. So top of the third, single crochet, again yarn over, make here shell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Top of this, single crochet, yarn over, making the single crochet shell again, 3, 4, 5, top of this, single crochet, again yarn over, shell, 3, 4, 4, 5. So single crochet here at the end, then coil your yarn. So viewers, I will make like this, just in one row, just continue like this. I hope you understand this pattern now. Not difficult. No point to make because continue like this. Again, start this pattern, chain 3, then 2 double crochet, then make shell in here. So you can see how it's pretty pattern. Both sides are good. This back side, this is front side. If you want to use one color, then you don't need to cut this. You can continue in one color. If you use more than one, then you need to cut yarn, then start again another color. So I hope you will like it. If you like, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for a nice compliment. So I will bring more easy pattern for you guys for beginner.